is the power of God unto salvation to everyone who believes. See, I'm part of the fellowship of the unashamed. The die has been cast. The decision has been made. I've stepped over the line. I'm a disciple of Jesus. I will look back, let up, slow down, back away, or be still. My past is redeemed. My present makes sense. And my future is secure. Oh, come on now. My past is redeemed. My present makes sense. And my future is secure. I am finished and done with low living, with slight walking, with small planning, with chintzy giving, with mundane talking and dwarf goals. I no longer have to be right, first, top, praised, recognized, regarded, and rewarded. I now learn by faith, walk by patience, live by prayer, and labor by power. My pace is set, my walk is fast, my goal is heaven, my road is narrow, my companions few, my guide reliable, my mission clear. I can be bought, compromised, detoured, lured away, turned back, deluded, or delayed. I will not flinch in the face of sacrifice, hesitate in the presence of the adversary, negotiate at the table of the enemy, or ponder at the pool of popularity. I will give up, shut up, or let up until I've stayed up, stored up, prayed up, and preached up the cause of Christ. I will keep going until He comes. I will get till I drop. I will proclaim till all know, and I will work until He stops me. Then when He comes for His own, He will have no